Hello class 9. Day before yesterday previous class we have learned the fun they had few lines, and now we are going to continue this class. Now we have in the page number 6 the fun they had, fourth paragraph. You can see he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Maggie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Maggie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right. And after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so good. So bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated marks in no time. Actually, here Margie was very bad in tests. She didn't get good marks. So here Mrs. John, the Margie's mother, informed the county inspector to repeat the mechanical teacher so that she could understand the lessons and give her good marks. So here Margie was given an apple by the mechanic county inspector, and now this county inspector is repairing the machine, that is mechanical teacher, robot teacher. Now it was repaired. The county inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, it's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. John. I think the geography sector was get a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again. Yes, now the county inspector is telling that it's not the fault of the Margie, it's the fault of the mechanical teacher, as the geography is too fastened in the machine. In the machine the geography is too fastened, as her according to her age it's too fast. So I have repaired it, and I have decreased the speed of the geography lessons so that she could get that lessons. So this is what happened, and here this county inspector encouraged the Margie. Yes, now Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Yes, here Tommy's teacher was taken away as she couldn't teach properly. So in the same way here Margie is thinking that this geography teacher will be also taken off by the county inspector. So she was thinking so, but here the county inspector has repaired it and kept it. He has again replaced the geography teacher and slowed the machine. Yes, now so she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? Yes, here she has a doubt that why everybody are writing about a school. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Because it not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago, he added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully. Centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all the time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while. Then she said, anyway, they had a teacher. Yes, you can see the meaning of loftily is in a superior way, means in a gentle manner. So Margie has a doubt that why in olden days they have written about a school, but it is here Tommy is explaining that it is not about it is not like similar to our school. It is the old kind of school where the teacher is also a human being. Yes, not like our machines. Now we have the teachers are machines, but in olden days the teachers are the human beings. And here the Margie is came to know that the teacher is a human being. And now next paragraph you can see, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man isn't smart enough? Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much, I betcha. Maggie wasn't prepared to dispute that. He said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. "Oh, you don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. And all the kids learned the same thing, sure, if they were the same age." Yes, here Margie has lots of doubts against the school and the teacher, and Tommy is explaining that a school is not a normal school or not it is in a home. We have to go to a school to learn lessons or to for the knowledge. We have to go to some place where it is called as a school, and there the teacher is not a machine, it is a human being. And also here he explains, the teacher explains how to do things, how to write homework, and he gives the test, and all the boys and girls make it the notes and they used to perform it, but not in the similar way like our machines. Like that the Tommy is explaining to Margie. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mamma. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Yes, children, here Tommy and Margie, these both are reading the lesson. In that lesson, they learned about the schools and teachers, and this teacher here explaining the lessons and also the notes, and where here when they are reading about the schools, how the funny schools are in olden days, then here Margie was called by her mother, Mrs. Jones. She calls her to attend the school and class which is next to her room. While Margie and Tommy were reading the book, there Mrs. John, the Margie's mother, came to call her as she has to attend the class where Margie went into the school room where it was next to her bedroom. Here Margie's school was next to her bedroom where the mechanical teacher was waiting. Here the mechanical teacher is nothing but a robot which is waiting for her class. And next, and here the Margie school was only from Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday it is a holiday for her class, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Actually here her mother says that if the children learn at regular times, then they are better to learn. And here Margie and Tommy, they have talked to each other that they will read the book after the completion of their classes. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Yes, now when Margie entered into the school classroom, there the machines were ready. They are asking her and telling her the class about the arithmetic lesson, that is addition of proper fractions. The maths class is going on, and here the mechanical teacher is asking Margie to insert the yesterday's homework on the slot. Slot is the place where given to perform her task. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one and the teachers were another with the homework and talk about it, and the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions half and 1 by 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. This is what written by Isaac Asimov. Children, here Margie is performing her class. When she was performing the class, she was thinking that about the olden day schools where the Margie's grandfather's father usually attend to school by his friends. They used to come together and go to home together, and also the performance of the homeworks all together by friends. They were enjoying the schools, so she was thinking all the things happened happened in the olden days by the grandfather's father, and that is what she is thinking here about the fun they had. This is what the fun they had. Children, you can see here Margie sitting in a classroom next to her bedroom, where you can see here the computer where the mechanical teacher, here you can see the mechanical teacher is asking to perform the task on the slot given on the screen. This is what the school of Margie in future, that is in 2000, you can see the 2046 or what. This is what in the year 2157 at 17th May it was written on the diary. Okay, this is the lesson completed today, the fun they had. And please note down the meanings given in the textbook in your fair notes. Today's homework is to write the meanings in your notebook. Thank you.